Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Jay coming at you with another video, getting your mindset right to make more money. And the thing that we're going to talk about is how not to blow your funded account. It's very important because once you do get funded, it's probably the most amazing feeling in the world. But the problem is you start seeing the Lambos, you start seeing the Bugattis, you start seeing the new house, right? And you kind of lose your shit. So I got a few points to talk about, and this is going to be mainly about risk management, right? That way we're able to keep on track with making consistent profits without having crazy ass drawdown. Point number one is going to be risk management in general. Having good risk management is going to help you sustain your account in the long run. That way you can have minimum drawdown and you can take more losers in a row, so your account is still alive and kicking at the end of the month or the end of the day sometimes. I know risk management is pretty obvious, but this really leads me to my next point. Your account size is not your true account size. So when you sign up for these prop firms, because I know you're thinking that, you're crazy, right? And the reason why I say this is because take a $100,000 account from FTMO, for example. If you take that account and you use the max drawdown, which is 10%, that means you have a $10,000 account. And through this, you risking 1% of 100,000 is you actually using 10% of the current trading capital that you have access to before getting fired from that prop firm. Did I really just hit that? Due to the way that the max drawdown works and the percentage risk that you're taking, this is actually very high risk trading that more than likely ends up leading to a blown account within the first 6 months, sometimes even sooner. So now let's talk about how to sustain that account, right? And this goes through adjusting your risk accordingly. So now that we know that our $100,000 account is now worth $10,000, how do we sustain that and how do we trade that properly, right? So to sustain your account, we're gonna risk 1 to 3% of not the account size, but your max drawdown, which is your true account size. If you wanna go to a more extreme measure, you can risk 1 to 3% of your max daily drawdown. Doing this will allow you to have the same 100 to 33 trades, depending on your risk percentage, that you would have if you were trading a regular account normally. Okay, trading this way will allow you to sustain the 100 to 33 trades in a row before you can blow your account, because you're using 1 to 3%. Because of this, you're able to profit consistently without suffering massive drawdown, thereby affecting your psychology, causing overtrading, over leveraging, etc., etc. So I've had a lot of people hit me up on Instagram, Discord. Don't have a Twitter, at least not a social media like Twitter, whatever. So I've had a lot of people hit me up doing mentorships and things of that nature. Do I offer mentorships? Yes, I do offer mentorships. I don't really advertise on the channel, but I've got so many people hitting me up about it, I might as well point it out. I also have, well, not myself personally, but there is a signal service for the lazy trader made by an amazing swing trader, Eric Tryhard. I'll have his info up, and he has an interview with Tyillionaire, who has over 100,000 subscribers, and it shows him flipping his account from 1,000 to 21,000. He's pretty good. He's pretty good. So if you guys want to get out and try his signals, by all means, be my guest. If you guys want mentorship from me, you don't have to. You can always come by, ask me any questions that you like. I don't really hide my knowledge behind the paywall. This is more for people that want to take their trading to the next level and they're kind of stuck and they don't know where to go. All right. I think that's all I got for you guys, and peace.